Chapter 5: Solids, Liquids, and Gases. We see different types of objects around us. All these objects are made up of matter. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. The air we breathe in, the food we eat, the water we drink, and even our bodies are all examples of matter. Matter is made of very tiny particles called molecules. These molecules are further composed of atoms, so we can say that the atoms are the smallest particles of which matter is made of. States of matter. Depending upon the way the molecules are arranged, matter can exist in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. Solids. In solids, the molecules are packed very close to each other. There is very little space between them. As a result, they cannot move freely. This makes solids hard and gives them a fixed shape. In other words, solids have a definite shape and a fixed volume. Solids can be hard as diamond or soft as cloth. Liquids. In liquids, the molecules are not very closely packed. Since there is more space between the molecules of a liquid as compared to solids, liquids have no fixed shape and can flow. They flow from a higher level to a lower level. So liquids are kept in a vessel. They take the shape of the vessel in which they are kept. Gases. In gases, the molecules are packed very loosely. They fill all the available space. The molecules are free to move in any direction. As the molecules are spread easily, the space between the particles keep on changing. Thus, gases have no fixed shape or volume. States of matter are interchangeable. The three states of matter are interchangeable. The change of state of matter occurs because of temperature changes. Let us study how this happens. When we heat a solid, it turns into a liquid. This process is called melting. If we further heat the liquid, we see bubbles rising to the surface of the liquid. This is called boiling. Soon the liquid changes into vapor. This change of a liquid to vapor on heating is called evaporation. When a gas is cooled, its molecules condense or come closer. The gas changes back into liquid. This process is called condensation. When a liquid is cooled, its molecules come even closer. They freeze into a close pack and changes into a solid. This process is called freezing. Solute, solvent, and solution. A solid that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. A liquid in which a solid dissolves is called solvent. The solute and solvent together form the solution. We add sugar to tea, coffee, and milk to give it a sweet taste. We add salt to lassi and jaljeera to give it a salty taste. Both sugar and salt are solids. When a solid dissolves in a liquid, it forms a solution. Here salt and sugar dissolve in water to form a solution. Sugar and salt that dissolve in water are called solutes. The liquid in which the solute dissolves is called solvent. Here water is the solvent. What happens when a solute dissolves in a solvent? Take a beaker filled with some water. Put a mark on the water level. Now add 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Keep stirring till the sugar dissolves. Measure the amount of solution formed. You will find that the level of water in the beaker remains almost the same. In other words, there is no increase in the volume of the solvent when the solute is dissolved completely. This makes us understand that on dissolving sugar, the molecules of sugar occupy the empty spaces between the water molecules and need no extra space. Thus, the volume of the solution and the solvent remain almost the same.